This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, I'm Nandini Software Solutions Private Limited. So from August and September month, we're going to start new technology, IT software, new technologies training. So we're going to provide. So what are the technologies we're going to start from the August? Miss will let me explain it. So, so Snowflake and AWS and Python classroom and online training. New batch free demo is going to start from tomorrow. So 29th August. The class timings morning 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. So qualification is any degree and the course duration is 45 days. If anyone interested to learn offline and online classes from Snowflake. It is a cloud technology. It is having very good demand in the market. Feel free to reach out this number. So along with we're going to start one more technology that is called IBM DataStage. IBM DataStage ETL tool online and online classes is going to start from uh, 28th. Today it is demo is started. So from tomorrow onwards regular classes. So if anyone interested to learn IBM DataStage ETL tool, so Mr. Srinath is going to explain. He's having around 15 years of experience in IT. So feel free to reach out this number 9538160185. The course duration is 35 days. So along with we're going to start from Talent ETL tool, real-time classroom and online training new batch. Free demo is going to start from 14th September. So the class timings morning 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. So qualification is any degree. So the phone number is 9538160185. So within 45 days, so learn the any IT software course and get the job within 45 days. Okay, so course duration 45 days and the job also you will get within 45 days. Total within 3 months, so you will get software job if you join from my institute. That is called as a Nandini Software Solutions Private Limited. Okay, so we're going to teach multiple technologies from the Nandini Software Solutions. So we're going to mainly teaching in ETL and cloud technologies and reportings. So ETL tools we're going to for every month, first week we'll start new batch. So talent that is going to start from the 14th 4th September. So IBM data stage today's demo is done and tomorrow onwards regular classes. So along with we're going to start from today from tomorrow onwards Snowflake with AWS and Python. So the highlights of this institute like will explain project explanation, interactive both offline and online classes. So each class after class is done, recording video will provide it, real-time scenarios, materials, resume preparation, mock interviews, and doubts clarification, interview questions and answers will explain. Okay, so the course duration is 45 days for ETL tools. So learn any IT technology from the Nandini Software Solutions, get the job with very good package with good company. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. This is the phone number 9538160185 6361770903. So you can visit my office. So you can visit my company website also. So www.nandinisoftware.com, nandinisoftware.com. So you can visit my company website. So it is loading. So you can visit my company website. So along with you can visit YouTube channel. So that is called Nandini. You can type in the YouTube Nandini Software Solutions Private Limited. Nandini Software Solutions. You will get YouTube channel. Okay. So you can search in the Google also. You will get my company, my office address. So Nandini Software Solutions Private Limited. You will get the office address also. So you will get the office address here, Nandini Software Solutions. Visit from morning 7 a.m. to evening 7 p.m. It's opens. Okay, so kindly visit my office address. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. So if you want to learn any IT software courses, so visit my office or else call this number and train within 45 days and within 45 days you'll get the job. So thank you guys. Thank you so much.